Okay, so a couple weeks ago, I made homemade Dunkaroos. Were they delicious? Absolutely. A lot of the recipes for the actual frosting or Dunkaroo dip involved putting funfetti cake mix into Cool Whip. Just ignore, this is generic. So I thought to myself, there's a variety of pre-made mixes. How many of them would be good as a dip? Get the little dip. Anyway, I stocked up on all of these. Did I look crazy in the grocery store? You got it, absolutely. I looked insane. I got vanilla wafers to try the dips out with. I figured it's pretty generic. It's vanilla. I also got mini Chips Ahoy. These are also for me to eat in the middle of the night tonight. I have 100 bowls. I've got all of these mixes, 3 things of off-brand Cool Whip, and I'm ready to fuck with it. Here are the different kinds of mixes that I have. Did I get peanut butter cookies twice? Fuck. Anyway, chocolate chip cookie mix, fudge brownie mix, peanut butter cookie mix, blueberry muffin mix, carrot cake, and strawberry cake. We have 6 dips to make. Are you ready to dip into the dip? What are we doing with our lives? I don't know if it'll make a difference if it's a cookie or a cake mix. Where do we start? Did I already open this one? Yes. Are those my finger marks? Absolutely. Hell yeah, Cool Whip. I filled all my bowls up with Cool Whip. Now I'm gonna start mixing in the mixes and see what we get. Pray for me. Enough? I'm just gonna mix it. Okay. Smells funky as fuck. Oh. Okay. Dump some of that. Stupid. Ooh. Fuck it. Whoop. Is this even gonna be worth it? How do you open this? Alright. Ooh, those big chocolate chips. Oh yes. Check out my dips. All of the mixes are mixed with Cool Whip. They all look interesting. I'm gonna taste them. Open the Chips Ahoy. Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh my god. Now I know why America's fat. They're so easy to go in your mouth. Let's start. Strawberry. Looks pretty decent. Okay, strawberry. Nice. What are you doing? I'm here for that. Carrot cake. Not killing it in terms of aesthetic. Ooh, that's like cement. Taste-wise, it tastes like carrot cake, but it shouldn't be a dip. It's just not dippy. Peanut butter cookie. This is light. Doesn't look that exciting. Okay, well, it's got like a little... it's fine. That was an unrelated reaction. Fudge brownie. This is what I'm excited about. I don't even like brownies like that. I am on my period though. Oh, here we go. Oh, that is very good. That would be a good ice cream. This definitely dips. You could put so much in this. It's so creamy. And I bet these brownies wouldn't even be fucking good. Moving on. Blueberry muffin. Look at that. I'm excited. There's little flecks of blueberry in it, and those are the ones I want. Huh. It says, do not eat raw batter. Whatever, bitch. The classic chocolate chip cookie. This will be a good test because we love chocolate chip cookie dough dip. But like, can we make it easy? Let's find out. I feel sick. It dips. That's good. That's good. Okay. That shit slaps. Cool kid lingo. Okay, let's review. Strawberry cake, it dips. Carrot cake, does not dip. Peanut butter, does not dip. Fudge brownie, dips. Dips hard. Fuck, I got chocolate on my tip. Blueberry muffin mix, kind of. Does not dip. Chocolate chip cookie, it dips. This works. I mean, if you're in a pinch, or if you fucking suck at baking and you're like, what do I bring to this barbecue? You shouldn't be having a barbecue. It's a pandemic. Damn. Thanks for watching. I think I'm supposed to get you guys to like follow me more. Please, follow me. It's actually not good for my self-esteem. I guess if you could, that would be nice. Oh, I feel ill. I don't feel well. Why do I do this? I have a sickness. I have a sickness for sweets.